Good and blessed day, everyone out there. This is your host and career supporter, Eric, with the Homework Now YouTube channel, where we scout, research, and provide at home, hybrid business opportunities and career resources for the everyday workers. We have some exciting opportunities today, but before we start, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel to get the latest info from Homework Now. All right, guys, let's begin. All right, guys. So our first company we're going to talk about today is called Paycor. They are the HR IT solutions company. Now, I have featured them before in a previous episode with an open remote position. Now they have a new position that we're going to get into later on. So, of course, they are a HR and payroll solutions company. They empower leaders to build winning teams. Take a look at their website. They work with HR and payroll software, talent acquisition, talent management, workforce management, and benefits administration with HR plus payroll software. So they work with payroll software, they have HR software, analytics, and expense management. So they work with different companies, manufacturing, restaurants, professional services, and managing their HR and IT benefits systems. So they have more than 30,000 customers nationwide. Paycor. So you can take a look at some of the customers that they have, like the Detroit Zoo, Wendy's, 2 Men in a Truck Moving Services. They have a lot. They work with a lot of companies. So you check out the website and check out what companies they work with. So they also have won plenty of awards, and because of their payroll software, HR rewards. Like I said, 300 integrated partners that they work with. And they have a resource center on their website you can check out what they're all about. So Paycor, the HR, IT, and payroll solutions company, they have an open position for a CX data consultant. CX data consultant. This is a remote work from home opportunity. So Paycor empowers leaders to develop winning teams. Our human capital management or HCM software modernizes every aspect of people management from the way you recruit, onboard, develop, pay, and retain employees. Best of all, our team is growing and there's never been a better time to join. If you love to think big, dream big, compete to win, and thrive in a fast-paced environment, we want to hear from you. Okay. So in this role, this position will work with our clients to provide consultative input on the transition of data from their prior provider system, unto the Paycor system. Their primary focus is guiding Paycor clients through the data gathering and uploading process while also providing support to internal teams through the handling of data manipulation and imports. This position will also work with internal teams to analyze, design, enhance, recommend, and develop timely data integration solutions. All right, so that's just an overall summary of the job that you will be talking about. So, essential duties and responsibilities. So, you will be responsible for client data integration to Paycor system, including consulting with clients to discuss best method of obtaining necessary data and transferring data to Paycor system. Process involves client interaction and communication. Extraction of data from various systems. Process involves the client interaction and communication. This function can be technical and require extensive knowledge in custom report writing systems. Manipulation and import of extracted data from various systems. Assist in the renumbering process of data integration process between one Paycor client and another. You will identify and problem solve towards identifying best means for importing data based on ever-changing set of circumstances and system capabilities. Casework to add, upload additional data received from the client after the initial report or import. Second, drop imports of client data prior to product to go live under expected timeline. Okay, so that looks like they have the kind of like the main crux of the responsibilities under this portion. And you can go ahead and read the next portion for yourself if this interests you as far as this position. So a lot of IT work, a lot of technical support, developing systems, HR systems, data transfer. So yeah, so let's take a look at the requirements as well. So they require a 4-year degree or equivalent experience, at least 1 year of client service experience, preferably business to business. VBA experience preferred, excellent verbal and written communication skills, Microsoft Office experience, strong Excel proficiency required, pivot tables and VLOOKUPs, etc. Also, proactive, quick learner, willing to take ownership of assignments and see through the successful completion. Ability to work in a high degree of accuracy and multiple data elements extracted from multiple data sources. Possesses strong organizational and time management skills, must be able to prioritize tasks based on delivery dates, other milestones, and perform well under deadline pressures. Takes initiative and demonstrates a high degree of ownership and accountability. Strong problem solving and analytical thinking skills. High technical aptitude, ability to adapt to frequent system and tool updates. Okay. Demonstrated drive to learn new skills, enhance and implement processes efficiencies for the betterment of the client, team, and Paycor. Okay, so total rewards. We are proud to be provided the best in class benefits, delivering a personal and professional experience that meets you where it matters most, the well being of you and your loved ones. So, highlights include benefits. So, you have a flexible virtual first work philosophy. Okay. So, an initial equity award and restricted stock units or RSUs for all new associates and ongoing award opportunities to participate in the value created through Paycor's growth. I also get a 401k with a 0.65 match for every dollar contributed to up to 6% of eligible pay. Generous paid time off in addition to 10 paid holidays, including your holiday to celebrate your day or holiday you hold special. Probably like a birthday. 3 medical plan options, including a zero cost option and travel and lodging support to ensure access to medical care, paid leave for birth parents, non birth parents, elderly caregivers, and military support. Sabbatical opportunities for tenured associates. Employee stock purchase plan, which enables you to buy Paycor stock at 15% discount. Inclusive and accessible employee assistance program or EAP to help with everyday challenges. All right, so they have an extensive um, benefits package as well. Really like the time off and the day you get to, choose on your own. So Paycor, the HRIT solutions company. They work with a lot of companies, have a lot of accounts, over I believe it was 300 or 3,000 companies that the partnerships that they have that they work with. They are looking for a CX data consultant for their team. If you guys have experience in IT systems, computer science systems, running big data conversions, data tables, um, uploading data into other systems, and so they were looking for people to upload and transfer data into their Paycor system. If you had experience in doing that, this would be the perfect position for you. So I will leave the link for this job, for this career, in the description below, and be sure to apply today. Okay, so our next company is called Nordic. Now, they are a cross between healthcare and IT technology. So they streamline operations for the healthcare industry. So harness the power of technology for a healthier world. So, like I said, streamline operation, they enhance clinical wellness, improve patient care, and achieve financial sustainability. So yeah, they use that IT and data systems to improve healthcare services and software. So let's take a look. Building healthier systems that lead to healthier people and organizations. So healthcare leaders worldwide trust Nordic as their end-to-end strategic partner in navigating every step of the health IT modernization journey. Our experienced team can help you connect people, data, technology, and organizations to address your most pressing clinical, operational, and financial challenges to and prepare for the future of care. So they combine those two uh, areas to better provide healthcare services for their patients, for their clients. So they work in strategic advisory, implementation and support, digital and cloud initiatives, managed service, ERP services, and federal services. So, Nordic, a cross between IT and healthcare, improving healthcare systems. Let's take a look at the position that they have available. So they are looking for a application support analyst. This is full time and it was just posted today. Remote position. So let's take a look at what they were offering. So, application supports analyst provides advanced support for clinical and business applications. This role requires a comprehensive understanding of application fundamentals, of functionalities, I should say, and great responsibility in managing support requests, documentation, and vendor relationships. Key responsibilities include respond to application support requests and incidents with and define SLAs, ensuring high level customer service and communication. Manage application and team documentation through proper document management life cycles. You also maintain and expand relationships and software vendors, ensuring application teams receive top tier support. Plan and execute application upgrades, ensure applications stay patched for security vulnerabilities. Also, achieve necessary certifications and continue professional development. You participate in and lead smaller analyst led projects, taking on basic project management tasks such as scheduling calls, coordinating and team members, tracking follow ups, and communicating project status. Gain proficiency in clinical and clinically integrated hospital and physician office workflows, both clinical and business. You'll participate in the development and routine maintenance of detailed architecture documentation, including system diagrams and documentation of system dependency maps, integrations, and other critical components as needed to comply with disaster recovery, security, and operational requirements. You participate in the entire application lifecycle to include implementations, upgrades, and eventual decommissioning and data archiving. You will work well with independently requested help only when needed. You will also escalate appropriately after completing due diligent proper investigations. Okay, so that's an overview of the key responsibilities. So let's take a look at the requirements that they're looking for this position. So you would need a bachelor's degree in information technology, engineering, healthcare, informatics, computer science, and/or related field, relevant education and/or industry experience equivalent to a 4-year degree accepted 2 years experience in healthcare IT or equivalent IT application analyst position. Proven analytical thinking and problem solving skills. You experience in executing ITIL aligned service and management processes, including incident request and change management. Excellent communication and customer service abilities. Experience in managing application support and documentation. Ability to work collaboratively in a team oriented environment and independently. So, additional details some roles may require participation in an on call rotation to provide 24/7 support for clinical applications, ensuring continuous and reliability service availability. Okay, so, all right. So, this seems like a very interesting position. Application support specialist, full time, and this is a remote position. I did check on the uh, description of this position. This is remote, U.S. position just posted today, and I had to go look and see what their salary was. They are paying as far as Nordic, as far as their application analysts, 88,000 to 121,000 a year. So this is a very lucrative position for an application support analyst from Nordic Healthcare. I will leave the description for this position in the. I will leave a link to this position in the description below, and be sure to apply today if you feel like this is the position for you. Okay, so our last company today we're going to talk about is called Premier Solutions. Now, Premier is a IT solutions company specializing in the healthcare industry. Again, healthcare is huge, so they have a lot of components to it. So they involve integrating different aspects of healthcare, like connecting hospitals to providers, then even down to your PCP. So let's go and take a look at their website. So Premier has a long history of joining forces with the Department of Health and Human Services. It's been a natural partnership because of a shared goal to build a high performing healthcare system where Americans can get better care at a better price. So they will optimize supply chain, integrate pharmacy, and maximize value based care. So, they work with group purchasing, technology, consulting, collaboratives, and advocacy as well. You can take a look at their website and go, they give a pretty extensive overview of what they are about. And also, let's take a look at solutions. That's always good. So, working closely with our members, we're providing products and services to solve their most complex challenges. So, like I said, they work with supply chain and population health, applied sciences, quality improvement, cost management, pharmacy, data and analytics. I mean, just the whole spectrum of the healthcare industry, which is very important. So, Premier Health, the IT solutions company. Let's take a look at the position that they have available. So they are looking for a associate data steward. This is a full-time remote position, and it was just posted today. Just posted today, guys. So please get ready and go and apply for this position. So let's take a look at what you'll be doing. This position is responsible for supporting the delivery of master reference or transaction data that is accurate, timely, consistent, complete with, and trusted across the enterprise, such as the source of truth. This position will play an integral role in the day-to-day operations and development within their domain. Okay, so this position will learn and implement standards with an understanding of data development and management in the healthcare industry. This position will focus on data integrity, security, and conformity of information. So key responsibilities include 70% will be the master data management. So content and collection, populate data content per media data or metadata, reference data, identification, classification, and enrichment in one domain. Metadata management, gain understanding of metadata, data quality and profiling, learn and understand accuracy, completeness, and consistency of data. Data standards and practices, learn and understand existing standards and practices. DM framework and maturity, you will learn and understand framework. Data security and privacy, gain knowledge of issues and concepts. Okay. Now, business engagement and cross team collaboration is 20%. So you will learn business and works toward KPIs, SLAs, and expectations. System and process enhancement will be 5%. So you will learn and provide input. Also, industry membership and supplier engagement will be 5%. So gain knowledge about engagement. So, work qualifications, work experience. So, years of applicable experience, zero or more. You need a high school diploma or GED. Preferred qualifications include data management, process improvement, managing large data sheets, capacity to learn new skills and professional curiosity, interest in data management and technology, analytical and questioning nature, also, experience of 1 to 3 years of applicable experience. Education includes bachelor's in healthcare, nursing, MIS, IT, computer science, informatics, math, engineering, or related discipline. Also, you include remain in a stationary position for prolonged periods. So this would be, like I said, a remote position. So at home at desk, be adaptive and change priorities quickly, meet deadlines, attention to detail, operate computer programs and software, ability to communicate effectively with audiences in person and in electronic platforms or formats, day-to-day contact with others, coworkers, and our public, making independent decisions, ability to work in a collaborative business environment in close quarters and periods and varying interruptions. Okay, so work conditions will be remote, but this has some travel requirements. So travel will be from 1 to 20% within the U.S. And you look at the physical demand. So you'll be sedentary. So like I said, you'll be at a desk working, or do you have some jobs you would have to go and travel with this position. So, Premier's compensation philosophy is to ensure that compensation is reasonable, equitable, and competitive in order to attract and retain talent and highly skilled employees. Premier's internal salary range for this whole position is 51,000 to 95,000 a year. Final salary is dependent upon several market factors, including but not limited to departmental budgets, internal equity, education, unique skills, experience, and geographical location. Premier utilizes a wide range of salary structure to allow base salary flexibility within our ranges. Employees also reach access to the following benefits. So you will get health, dental, vision, life and disability insurance, a 401k retirement plan, paid time off, participation in premiums, employee incentive plans, tuition reimbursement, and professional development opportunities. Awesome. You can look at some of these are some of the rewards that they have won with their company. Employees receive perks and discounts, access to on-site and online exercise classes, paid time off to volunteer in community. They are an equal opportunity employer. So, Premier Healthcare. They are a combination of IT, supply chain, and healthcare system company. Help to improve transactions and in the involvement between the healthcare providers, the hospitals, and even your personal care providers. So they are looking for an associate data steward, remote full time, and it was just posted today. So please apply for this position. I will leave the link to this in the description below. Well, guys, thank you so much for checking out this review of remote job opportunities. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and please check to see if these opportunities are a good fit for you and for your professional goals. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, take care.